likes to she liked things down it. She wanted one of us to get it. And following this, Kay was immediately taken to the hospital for assessment while she awaits trial.
I'm so sorry. Why did you do that, Amanda?
And it takes 5 years for her trial to happen, which means that she was out there living her life for 5 years. No, I see that you can never get bored. And HelloFresh has become even better than it already was. The portions are now larger, which means that you will feel fuller for longer. It is also super kid friendly. There are meals that the whole family will enjoy. More vegetables in each meal, making it healthier for both you and the kids. You can also skip weeks at any time. There is no long-term commitment. If you know that you're going to be out. I just did my night routine and everything, and I'm wearing pajamas because it's pajamas. I don't do nothing in them. But yeah, I did my night routine and I am gonna go to bed because I had a bad day today. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to my sister's to get my nails done because I have clients this Saturday. So I want to get my nails shorter. Oh, I can't really see the fit. These are big on me, but I think it's fine. I haven't worn these yet because they were too big. They're still too big, but I don't want to waste it, so. I like cute because, oh yeah, I did a kind of like interview this morning, so that's why I looked cute. If not, I would have looked like shit again, but yeah. See you guys later. Hey y'all, so I'm currently doing my nails now, and my sister won't let me record her, so I guess I'm not going to, but yeah, I will see you guys soon. Okay, nails are done. You can't even tell I have them done because they're super natural, just my regular nails, which I'm growing out again. But yeah, these are the nails because I have to do makeup this weekend. It feels so weird to have no nails again. So when Girl A was eventually cleaning my room part 2. I didn't clean yesterday because I was busy and I wasn't home, so continue my cleaning. I know y'all is so dirty, but I'm being vulnerable, sharing my dirty ass space with y'all so y'all can see it. Yeah, let's get our shit together, even though we're jobless and stressed. The dirtiness adds to the stress, so let's clean this shit and stop being a fucking dirty ass girl. Okay, these are like 2 different boots, but I'm gonna put out for our garage sale because I don't wear them at all. This one slips down. This does not fit my fucking fat ass calves, so yeah. So I've been doing gua sha. This is my day 3 of like trying to be on track. Okay, I'm recording on both my phone and my DJI, so that's like my vlog. That yeah, let's do a day 3 of gua sha. I am babysitting my niece right now. I'm gonna make her a bottle. I'm making green onion kimchi because my mom used the ends of these for gardening, so I'm gonna rinse these. So I'm gonna rinse these and get them ready for it. It's my first time making it, so let's see if I succeed or if I fail. Okay, we're gonna do a cup of fish sauce and then turn it every 20 minutes. That's kind of a lot, y'all. I'm supposed to have 3 pounds of kimchi, but I only have 1 pound. Oh shit, that's a lot of fish sauce. I don't know. For these for 2 days, and I'll put it in the fridge. Good morning, y'all. It is currently It is Friday yet. Don't mind the mess. My blankets didn't dry in the dryer. I dried it like 2 times, so I just laid it on my room. So I slept with my mom last night. But yeah, it's Friday. I'm gonna do my morning routine, and then just job search, apply for jobs today, and then I'm gonna get all my stuff ready because I have 2 clients tomorrow for makeup. So yeah, that's my Friday. I know my week's pretty boring because I'm jobless and I just stay home and babysit, so I don't really record much. But yeah, let's drown myself in this because this shit literally sprays so big. I don't understand why. Oh God, like I was just so stressed yesterday. I was in bed, but I couldn't sleep, and I just kept looking for jobs online and applying. Do not quit your job. The job market is ass right now. Before you quit, make sure you find a job first. I do need to go buy a new cover for this because I used to have black and it doesn't match. But we'll use it for now. I think I've had this since like college. Yeah, it's been a long time. Oh, it was a fluff. I swear it was a fly.
Oh, okay.
We're eating dinner now. I haven't sat down and had dinner with my parents the whole week, so we're eating dinner together.
睇我睇到 Cambodia 我睇到啊，是真的。
I just got super busy when I got here. I just started doing makeup right away, but I'm finishing the last one, my second one, and yeah, sorry. Honestly, y'all, I know I am the worst at recording, and I totally forgot to record my day today with my homegirl and doing podcasts and stuff. But I did all of that. We went to do some stuff afterwards, and I'm now home. I just ate, and yeah, now I'm just gonna work and edit. So that's all I really have for my week. Thanks for joining me for what I did this week. I know it was a boring week because, like I said, I'm jobless and searching for a job and trying to just get my life together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I'll see ya next time. I don't know when I'm gonna do another one because I'm kind of lazy, but thanks for watching this one. Bye, besties. Mwah.